Jim, I'm having a small issue, which is that I'm bullish on the internet in general.
Did you like the Merle upgrade today of IAC Interact? You know, I haven't had a chance to read it.
I haven't had a chance to look at it
that's
either.
a stock that I felt like maybe someone upgrades because it's been 27, 28, 27, 28, doesn't go down. I don't know.
You know,
it's a good cure of an internet depression.
For a lot, I'll take a look at that. For a lot of reasons, I've been down on IACI lately, but also
I think it sucks.
Just like Google, Yahoo, even Google, right. I feel like that keyword advertising, there's going to be competition to it. With Yahoo, I feel like what you've been saying.
The stocks don't get Google. You're not heartened by a 52-week high. Is that just too spurious?
Well,
a reason?
I get afraid of the 52-week high, which is another thing I wanted to ask you.
Okay.
Like I can't, and maybe there's even another video, but I can't get myself to buy a 52-week high.
Well, I just think that Google, in the end, and the way I came back when I spoke with Visesh about it yesterday, is $600 billion ad market, and I think they take 10%. So I'm just along for the ride until they get the 10%.
You know, I buy that argument with Baidu. Like 60% market share in China. It's going to grow from, however many
I'm scared about
to
owning
billion.
Baidu here.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, well, because, there's a greed thing. I recommend it at 150, it goes to 300. I don't want to be the guy who recommends the New York Stock Exchange at 60, it goes to 110, and I do nothing. That's my legacy for this year. And the New York Stock Exchange not getting off at the high is much worse than being joyous about the stock continuing to go. So I'm very sensitive to getting off of Baidu at 300 and not raising my price target.
Even though it's
I said it could double, and it doubled.
It could be one of those things, though, where you're just along for the ride.
I can't do it after New York Stock Exchange. I can't do it.
I see.
New York Stock Exchange was the worst thing that's happened to me since Charter, Lucent, Nortel, and that was 4 years ago. And I can't go back.
What about Google, though?
Like Google very much, and the multiple allows me to be in it still. Baidu doesn't.
I buy into that. I'm worried though that everybody's kind of losing focus a little bit. Like Yahoo.
Well, we're running out of stocks.
We are. Like I'm waiting for Facebook to go public. Like that, they're the guys who seem like they have vision.
eBay is 39 billion. Yahoo at 25 billion. Back at the cash. eBay should buy Yahoo. But the problem is, I don't know what Yahoo is anymore. The whole Switzerland strategy. That could backfire. I mean, why does everyone keep giving everything to Yahoo?
The only thing I fall back on with Yahoo is the 40% stake in Alibaba.
Right.
Which then they own Taobao, which is the auction site in China, and Alipay, which is the PayPal of China.
But I never recommend stocks with declining fundamentals, and Yahoo's got declining fundamentals.
Yeah.
But look,
I'm starting to get discouraged with all the major internet mega
The one thing I would emphasize to you is that eBay does have some real momentum.
That's always true. I got discouraged years ago with the Skype acquisition. Right. But now that's totally absorbed.
You got to go look at it
price.
again. I know there's an eBay call, I believe, Thursday out of Bear. I've been liking that guy. So maybe check that out.
All right, good. Okay. Thanks a lot.